तर रोखड तुका म्हणजे जो टर्म सोंपता आनी जी इलेक्शन आनी ती खातीर मातशी फुडें धुकल्ल्या म्हणजे कितें म्हणटा
It is very unfortunate. I was very much for elections to take place on priority. आमकां खबर आसा की without representation here it becomes difficult to coordinate works in each ward. पूण म्हाजी म्हायती प्रमाणे जशें सिच्युएशन आयज जाल्लेलें आसा wherein we had a SIR wherein in all constituencies we can see a reduction in voters. In Mapsa only we are seeing around 6,000 less voters wherein we will have to go for delimitation in many wards. When I saw the notification, म्हाका दिसलें की 20 कावन्सिलर उरले पूण प्रत्येक वॉर्डान जर पळोवपाक गेल्यार खंय तरी वोटींग खूब कमी जाल्लेलें आसा. हाव विल द इलेक्शन कमिशन एंड द रोल बी प्रिपेर्ड बेस्ड ऑन द न्यू पॉप्युलेशन. म्हाका दिसता I also feel that there was not enough time given to make sure that each ward has got a proper survey done. Without proper survey, without proper delimitation, how will we go ahead with an election? Similarly, how will they set the reservation? A lot of questions nobody could answer. म्हाका दिसता हेजेर सारकी स्टडी जावंक जाय. Ultimately, we are giving representation to people, whether they are from backward classes, whether they are from SC community, scheduled tribe community. We have to make sure that every representation is given rightfully to the people who want to represent that particular ward. In this situation, I don't know what is going to be the future. पण जाता तितली बेगीन इलेक्शन घेवचें अशें म्हाका दिसता.